What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, we have brand new gloves and fall items here in Dollar Tree. Cute little mittens. We have the touchscreen thumb and pointer finger gloves. We have a variety of them. So many, like the majority of them are the touchscreen thumb and pointer fingertip gloves. We also have lots of new hats. Lots and lots of new hats this week. Super cute for kids. And then we have lots of new Halloween accessories, little boxes. This one is really pretty. I like that a lot. We have little masks, a big night in Booville, a little book. We have the giant coloring and activity books. If you'd like to give a non-candy gift. We also have non-candy party favors. The bracelets are back. We have little, I guess they were thinking broomsticks, little cleanup brooms for kids. We have putties. I don't know if it's like a putty or a slime. The containers look super cute though. Love that purple. And look over here, you guys, all the little headbands. The little jewelry. We have, oh my gosh, this is so cute. The little jewelry set is adorable. We have the LED tiaras, even more headbands, even more wings. This is my favorite right here. That is so cute. We also have this little set. And then here on this end cap, we have more Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead items. The little plates, the wall decor. We have some yard stakes. We have some platters. Some tinsel garland, some cups, and yes, they are glass. Also white and pink. Really, really nice. Okay, let's see what we got this week. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm seeing more Christmas items. Even more, and guess what? The super cute gnomes are back. They're really tiny and cute. Look, you guys, the gnome ornaments. Aww. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is too cute. Skiing gnome. I kind of love him. Skiing gnome. Should I get him? He's too cute. Gnome for the holidays. And it looks like some of the minis are starting to come in. Wow. We just have so many items for fall, for Halloween and Christmas coming in. It's pretty exciting seeing everything come in at the same time. I think these are new. Super cute little birds. Oh my gosh, these are really adorable. Aww. And this guy. Ooh, dollhouse activity kits. These are new. The bendy tubes. I'm hoping that Dollar Tree starts to bring in more new toy items because I feel like we've gone several months without really seeing many new items over here. Tons of DIY stuff. Jumbo on-the-go adventure with 3 background scenes. These are definitely new. Background scenes. We get 70 color forms. We also have it for Frozen 2 and LOL Surprise. Okay, let's see what's behind us. Super cute stickers. What else? All sorts of cute teacher and classroom items, teaching things, decorative things. We have some really cute paper shapes, 10 to a pack. Yeah, you guys. It's really fun to go to different Dollar Trees because you just get so much variety when you go from store to store. Let's see if we have any new craft items. Oh, what are these? The little acorns. Little plastic acorns. Okay. Yes, this is the thing I was looking for. This little craft spatula. I think I want to get one of these. Ooh. We also have the craft picker. The reindeer moss, that's new. These stickers are new. Craft scrapers, those are new. All the glitter, the fine glitter, 24 grams total. We also have these little glitters here. We get 0.63 ounces, so more than half an ounce, a total of 15 grams. We have gold, orange, pink, sort of a magenta, silver, and then up here we have a 5-pack, 15 grams total for 5 colors. Again, these are 15 grams total for 1 container. So depending upon what your craft is, you're gonna get the same amount here. The googly eyeballs, the pretty pearls, let's see if I missed anything behind me over here. We have tons of floral foam. All the rocks, the marbles. We have decorative sand. We have all of the wreaths. We have some of these wreaths too. These are bamboo wreaths. The Just Cotton yarns are here. These are some new colors that I've never seen before. Meow or never. Oh, these are new. This is definitely new. Love. The kitty is new. We also have Choose to Be Happy and You Are Amazing. Lots of new items. Well, you guys, I think I'm going to end here and probably go ahead and film one more video starting here with the candles, and then we'll go look at the makeup and other items too. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.